Making money online has become an increasingly popular option for people looking to earn extra income or even build a full-time career. With the internet offering various platforms and opportunities, there are many ways to make money from the comfort of your home. Below is an explanation of several easy methods to make money online, ranging from quick gigs to more long-term strategies that can become highly lucrative with time and effort. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most accessible ways to make money online. If you have a skill set as writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, or marketing, you can offer your services on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Here's why freelancing is a great option. 2. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, teaching online can be a lucrative way to make money. Platforms like Vipgid, Udemy, and Coursera allow you to offer courses in areas like mathematics, programming, languages, or personal development. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a method where you promote products or services offered by other companies, and in return, you earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. Popular platforms for affiliate marketing include Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, and ShareSale. 4. Blogging and content creation. Blogging has long been a way to make money online, and it continues to be effective in today's digital world. Bloggers create content around a specific niche, attracting an audience and monetizing their blog through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products online, but you don't need to handle inventory or shipping. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the order is forwarded to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. You make a profit from the difference between the wholesale price and the price you sell the product for. 6. Selling digital products. Another great way to make money online is by selling digital products like e-books, printables, software, or photography. Digital products are appealing because they are scalable. Once the product is created, you can sell it indefinitely without worrying about inventory or shipping. 7. Social media influence. Building a following on social media platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook can lead to lucrative opportunities. Social media influencers make money through sponsored posts, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing. 8. Virtual assistants. With more businesses going online, there's a growing demand for virtual assistants to help with tasks like managing social media accounts, customer service, scheduling, and administrative work. Websites like Upwork and Zirtual allow virtual assistants to find jobs and connect with businesses. 9. Online surveys and microtasks. If you're looking for an easy and quick way to earn a few dollars online, you can participate in online surveys or complete microtasks on websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk. These platforms pay you to take surveys, watch videos, or perform simple online tasks. Virtual assistants. A growing demand for virtual assistants to help with tasks like managing social media accounts, customer service, scheduling, and administrative work. Websites like Upwork and Zirtual allow virtual assistants to find jobs and connect with businesses. Duties of a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants may manage email inboxes, set up meetings, handle data entry, and more. How to get started? You can start by offering your services on freelance platforms or marketing your skills on social media. Being a virtual assistant offers flexibility And it's a good option for those who are organized and enjoy helping businesses with their day-to-day operations. 10. Sell stock photography. If you're good with a camera, you can sell your photos online as stock photography. Platforms upload your photos to stock photo sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. How it works: upload high-quality photos. Every time someone downloads or buys your photo, you earn a royalty. 11. Remote customer service or virtual assistant jobs. Many companies hire remote workers for customer service roles, data entry, or administrative support. Platforms check job listings on FlexJobs, We Work Remotely, or Upwork for virtual assistant VA or customer service roles. How it works: apply for remote customer service jobs or offer your VA services helping businesses with tasks like scheduling, email management, or social media management. Selling handmade products. If you're crafty, selling handmade goods such as jewelry, art, or home decor can be profitable. How it works: list your products on Etsy, eBay, or Amazon Handmade. Why it works: platforms like Etsy make it easy for artisans to reach a global audience. Selling courses. If you are an expert in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses. How it works: create a course on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare and earn money each time someone enrolls. Why it works: high demand for self-paced learning means courses can become a passive income stream. Remote customer service. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives to handle their customer inquiries. How it works: apply for remote customer service positions on job boards like FlexJobs or We Work Remotely